This is a Fletcher Free Library original program. Hey everyone, this is Abby, your tween and teen librarian from the Fletcher Free Library here in Burlington, and this is a Makerspace Wednesday video. Today I'm going to show you the collage I did for the fan art badge. And this is part of the Great Burlington Badge Challenge, and you can play today if you go to fletcherfree.org.